How do we test for proteins? Two key tests: Millon's reagent and the Biuret test. Add Millon's reagent to your sample. If protein is present, the solution turns pink or red. For the Biuret test, add dilute sodium hydroxide, then copper sulfate solution. A purple color confirms protein. Saliva contains amylase, which is itself a protein. Wow, so it gives a positive result in both tests. Remember, Millon's turns red, Biuret turns purple, and enzymes like amylase are proteins. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.